Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn subject maths, standard 8, chapter 4, practical geometry. In last video we have already learned about how to draw a quadrilateral. Exercise 4.1, 4.2 and 4.3. Now here we have to learn new points here. When three sides and two included edges are given. What given? When three sides and two included angles are given. Under this type, when you draw a rough sketch, note carefully the included angles in particulars. Now here example is there. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB is equal to 4 cm, BC is equal to 5 cm, CD is equal to 6.5 cm and angle B is equal to 105 degree and angle C is equal to 80 degree. Okay, now how we can construct this quadrilateral? Okay, first we have to draw rough sketch as usual to get an idea of how we can start off. Okay, then we can devise a plan to locate the 4 points. Okay, now how we can construct this quadrilateral? Now first step is there. First start with taking BC as 5 centimeter on B. How much centimeter? 5 centimeter. Okay, draw an angle of 105 degree along BX. Okay, draw an angle of 105 degree along BX. Locate A 4 centimeter away on this. We now have B, C and A. Now you can see in figure 4.20. Okay, now step 2. The fourth point D is on CY, which is inclined at 80 degree to BC. So make angle BCY is equal to 80 degree. Okay, and C on BC. Okay, I repeat this second point. The fourth point D is on CY, which is inclined at 80 degree to BC. So make angle BCY is equal to 80 degree. Okay, and C on BC. Okay, second step clear. Now third step. D is at the distance of 6.5 centimeter on CY. D is at the distance of 6.5 centimeter on CY with C as a center. Here C as a center. Draw an arc of length 6.5 centimeter. Now here with center C is center. Draw an arc of length 6.5 centimeter. Okay, it cuts CY at D. It cuts CY at D point. Okay, now step 4. Complete the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Now then complete this quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Okay, how to construct a quadrilateral? Understood? Okay, now come to the exercise 4.4. Now first question, construct the following quadrilateral. Now in this first one, quadrilateral DEAR. Quadrilateral DEAR. Now here measurement given to you. DE is equal to 4 centimeter, EA is 5 centimeter, AR is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and angle E is equal to 60 degree, and angle A is equal to 90 degree. Now we have to construct this quadrilateral. How we can construct this quadrilateral? First, steps of construction. How we can construct this quadrilateral? Now steps are there. Draw a line segment DE as 4 centimeter. Second point, at E draw ray EM such that angle DEM is equal to 60 degree. Now you have to draw ray EM such a way that angle DEM is equal to 60 degree. Third point, with E as a center and radius how much? 5 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting ray EM at A. Okay. Fourth point, at A draw ray AN such that angle EAN is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now fifth point, with A as a center and radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting ray AN at R. Then sixth point, draw line segment DR. Okay. Thus DEAR is the required quadrilateral. Thus DEAR is the required quadrilateral. Understood this? How to draw this quadrilateral? Okay. Next, quadrilateral TRUE. TRUE. Okay. Now here measurement given to you. TR is equal to 3.5 centimeter. RU is equal to 3 centimeter. UE is equal to 4 centimeter. Angle R is equal to 75 degree. Angle U is equal to 120 degree. Okay. Now steps to draw quadrilateral TRUE. Okay. First step, draw a line segment TR is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Second point, at R draw a ray RM such that angle TRM is equal to 75 degree. Okay. Third point, with R as a center and radius how much? 3 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting ray RM at U. At U draw ray UN such that angle RUN is equal to 120 degree. Okay. You have to use protector. Okay. Fifth number, with U as a center and radius 4 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting ray UN at E. Now sixth point, draw line segment AT. Thus TRUE is the required quadrilateral. Understood this both question? Okay. Now next point, some special cases are there. See here, to draw a quadrilateral we use five measurement in our work. Is there any quadrilateral which can be drawn with less number of available measurement? The following examples examine such special cases. Now here example is there. See here, draw a square of side 4.5 centimeter. Now you have to draw a square. See here, 4.5 centimeter. Now how we can draw? See rough figure given to you here. Solution. Initially it appears that only one measurement has been given. Actually we have many more details with us because the figure is special quadrilateral, namely a square. We know how we now know that each of its angle is right angle. Okay, this enable us to draw triangle ABC using SAS condition. Then D can be easily located. Try yourself now to draw the square with the given measurement. Okay, example: is it possible to construct a rhombus ABCD where AC is equal to 6 cm and BD is equal to 7 cm? Justify your answer. Solution: only two diagonal measurements of the rhombus are given. However, since it is rhombus, we can find more help from its properties. The diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisectors of one another. Okay, so first draw AC is equal to 7 cm and then construct its perpendicular bisector. Let them meet at O point. Okay, cut off 3 cm length on either side of the drawn bisector. You now get B and D. Draw the rhombus now based on the method described above. Okay, now come to the exercise 4.5. Draw the following. Now first question is that the square READ with RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. Here only RE given 5.1 centimeter. Now you have to draw a square READ. Okay, so first you have to draw rough sketch. Okay, here square, you have to draw square. Measurement also given 5.1 centimeter. Okay, so square means all sides are equal. Okay, how we can construct this quadrilateral? First step, draw a line segment RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. At E, draw ray EM such that angle REM is equal to 90 degree. Third point, with E as center and radius is equal to 5.1 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting ray EM at A. Okay. Fourth point, with R as a center and radius 5.1 centimeter, draw an arc. With A as center and radius 5.1 centimeter, draw an arc with intersect the previous arc at D. Sixth point, draw RD, line segment RD and line segment AD. Okay, then thus READ is required square. Okay, how to construct this quadrilateral? Understood? Now second one, a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter long. Here two diagonals measurement given to you, 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter. Now first you have to draw rough figure. Okay, then you keep in mind that the diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angle. You should remember that if any diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angle. Okay, here in rhombus XY ZW, YW is equal to 6.4 centimeter, so OW is equal to OY is equal to 3.2 centimeter. Okay, first point, draw a line segment XZ is equal to 5.2 centimeter. Second point, draw line AB, the perpendicular bisect of XZ, which intersects XZ at O. Okay, with O as the center and radius 3.2 cm, draw an arc intersecting line AB above line segment XZ at W. Okay. Fourth point, with O as the center and radius 3.2 cm, draw another arc which intersect line AB below line segment XZ at Y. Fifth point, draw line segment XY, line segment YZ, line segment ZW, and line segment XW. Thus, we can construct XYZW is the required rhombus. Understood this also? Okay, question number third. A rectangle with adjacent side of length 5 cm and 4 cm. Now first you have to draw rough sketch. Okay, first you have to draw rough sketch. Each angle of rectangle is a right angle, है ना? Each and every angle of rectangle is equal to how much degree? 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree. Now steps of construction. First you have to draw a line segment AB is equal to 5 cm. At A, draw ray AX such that angle XAB is equal to 90 degree. Third point, with A as a center and radius is equal to 4 cm, draw an arc intersecting ray AX at D point. Okay. Fourth point, with B as a center and radius is equal to 4 cm, draw an arc. Fifth point, with D as a center and radius is equal to 5 cm, draw an arc with intersect the previous arc at C. Sixth point, draw line segment BC and line segment CD. Thus, ABCD is the required rectangle. Okay. Okay, last question. Fourth number, a parallelogram OKAY where OK is equal to 5.5 centimeter and K is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Okay, is it unique? Now solution is there. Rough figure is given to you and fair figure also. A parallelogram cannot be constructed as sufficient measurement are not given, so it is not unique as angles any may vary in parallelogram drawn by given measurement. Okay, understood this both exercise. Thank you.